What's going on? Talk to me.
I'm done. Cut the show. I'm done. Take me off.
Guys, Boost is here. The Mustang from Ford Performance 800S, the FP800S. Crazy name, but let's talk about it. It's here. I'm so excited. But if you go any further, I want to talk about something very important about the 24 Mustangs and just going forward. Hey guys, the next gen 2024 Mustang still has a V8, but now, as we can talk about in this video, you can boost it too. But making it faster definitely means TLC and mechanical know-how will be needed to keep my S650 strong and fast for years to come. I don't trust just anyone to touch my Mustang builds. I look for the best of the best to make my Mustangs fast and to make them last. That's why I look for mechanics who have trained at and graduated from Universal Technical Institute. Universal Tech is an official training partner for top brands worldwide, well-known employers like Ford, BMW, Freightliner, and more hire their graduates. Also, Universal Tech's auto and diesel programs offer real-world training perfect for anyone looking to get ready for the industry, even if you have zero experience in working in cars or trucks. Train for a career doing what you love in less than a year, learn the skills the industry values, and I'll be coming for you to help keep my Mustang, especially this 24 Mustang, running. Guys, start dates are coming up and spots are still open, so visit uti.edu and learn more and enroll now.
Let's talk about it. The 24 Mustang, the all-new FP800S, Ford Performance 800 Supercharged is what that is an acronym for. Off the bat, would I prefer to kind of cool a name? I mean, it's okay. They're going off the FP700 like the F-150. That's their kind of new thing, but hey, I'll take it, right? 800 horsepower with a warranty. That's pretty exciting stuff. And I'll tell you right now, sign me up. I've already talked to Ford about, we got to get behind the wheel on that one so I can let you guys know what it feels like. Some interesting things that Ford has done, which is basically what we do here on the channel. They did some upgrades to suspension, some nice lowering springs, and of course, what you got to do with that much horsepower, you got to upgrade your axles. They have upgraded half shafts, and if you could swing it, I'd recommend a drive shaft as well. And of course, Ford has some nice badging and whatnot. They have those kind of nice battleship gray wheel and tire setup. But to think about that, 800 horsepower, basically what you have is you have a Whipple on there. They put their Ford Performance branding on there. You probably, it looks like a 6th gen 3.0 Whipple, 800 horsepower on pump, 93. That's pretty good. And guys, I gotta stress this enough. This has a warranty. So, like you saw in the beginning of the video, if you're working with a Ford dealer and you can get it installed by a Ford certified tech who probably went to UTI, Universal Technical Institute, you can get your warranty with that 3-year, 36,000 miles, which I think is pretty cool. I think it's pretty cool. If you want to turn it up, yeah, you're gonna have to get a tune from like Rob and all those guys and make 1,000 wheel. That's crazy. But I think 800 horsepower with a warranty, and you get the new look, the new design, the new dash, and more. You know, I kind of want to see what it does. I think 800 horsepower. I mean, it's definitely gonna run in the 10s. I'll be shocked if it gets in the high 9s, probably with a drag pack and weight reduction, which we've seen. But, you know, for me and for my money, I think Ford's doing incredible stuff right now, considering, you know, with the restrictions that are on automakers, where you see a company like Mopar who has to sadly get rid of the Hemi, and, you know, of course, Camaro's dead because no one wanted to buy them. But, you know, the point of the matter is, this is great stuff, and what is signaling, in my humble opinion, we're going to probably see an even more powerful next GT500 or Cobra. These are what my sources are telling me, and this is how we can kind of go off of this. The next GT500 or Cobra that's coming out will probably be teased or debuted at Mustang's 60th birthday which will be April 2024, and we'll get it in the 2025 year as a 2026 model. If you remember, the GT500 takes a little bit longer to come through, like it did for the S550, but it's gonna be worth the wait. I'm hearing close to 900 horsepower. Now you think about this. This is 800. This is 800 horsepower. The GTD is 850. This could be 900 horsepower, which is pretty crazy, considering what we could do. So this is going to be an exciting package. You can get the FP800S on your GT. It can come stick or 10-speed. I'm anxious to see how it works with the 10-speed because I'm curious if they're upgrading anything in the transmission with that much more power. Well, it remains to be seen. I'm going to review it. Let me know what you guys want me to test with it. Of course, 0 to 60 quarter mile, driving impressions, how it feels. We're going to find all that out with this new Mustang 800 FPS. Did I say it right? FPS 800. I'm confusing the names. But, you know, we'll see. It remains to be seen what it will be. I want to race it stock. Now, this is kind of a Ford performance vehicle. You can get the package to your Ford dealer, meaning, hey, I bought this Mustang at my dealer. I want the FP800S package. They'll order it, they'll put it on, and you get your warranty if a Ford certified dealer installs it. Pretty cool. Or they'll be already done. You can buy them from the dealer as they're spec'd out. Ford sees what we've been doing for years with modifying the 5.0s, and now you can get it for Ford themselves. Of course, I'll be real with you. I'll probably turn it up. I'll probably go to Rob, be like, yo, let's E85 this, let's fuel system this, let's turn it up. What's exciting is this appears to be still a stock fuel system. I gotta see what upgrades they have in it. I'm curious about the injector size. There's so many questions I have to ask Ford engineers about the FP800S, but we'll see. There's gonna be more models coming down the pipeline, more specialty vehicles. Of course, we have Dark Horse, we have Dark Horse R, we have GTD, now we have FP800S, and of course I was trolling people on Instagram. We had fun, you know, when discontinued Hellcat and Camaro owners see another 800 horsepower car from the S650 Mustang coming, and there's more coming out as we speak. Hey, it is a swan song, I'll take it. Guys, I really appreciate the support. We're gonna be cranking up the videos here, and remember to check out Universal Technical Institute. Link in description. They sponsor this video, and you know, hey, a lot of the people that graduate from there also watch this channel, and you know, I appreciate their support. Maybe I need to go take a year course too, so I can wrench it on myself, but I don't want to take jobs away from anybody. I appreciate just you guys making my car last and be fast. But also remember the giveaway for Mamba and Cyber Monday. All links in the description. I appreciate the support because you know it never ends. Peace.